Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Hey, check it out. Doing another video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. And don't forget to share your comments down below. I got a couple things that I got. Big shout out to my mom. She gave me some money for my birthday. I turned 40. Yes, I know. I'm 40. Good looking, but 40. And I got a couple things. The first thing that I got is this. Actually, two things for kuryakyn. Kuryakyn. I don't know if I'm saying that right. I got this that is going to go around. You know, obviously, you see that. It's a visor. And I think it's going to give some kind of dimension or something. I mean, it kind of looks like flat, maybe a little bump or something, but look a little bit better. I was just looking to spend some money, and I got this, right? And the next thing that I got that I really, really wanted is this laid down license plate. And the real reason why I got this is because of the trunk. Let me see if you see the trunk right there. Anyways, I'm gonna put videos, B-rolls, all that stuff. But again, the trunk, the plate is kind of like in the way. So when you click it with the quick detachment and you kind of bring it down, it was touching the plate. So again, it's nothing that you don't have to get this, but I got it because, like I said, it was touching the plate. I didn't like it. I had to do some modifications and things like that. And again, I'm going to remove the plate or the current plate, which is like 90 degrees. And I'm going to put this one, which is kind of like a laid down kind of style. So again, it's supposed to kind of sit like this. We're going to see. Again, it is what it is. We're going to see it in the video. By the way, if you hear my kids in the background, it's because they're playing right here. So I'm sweating it out here in the garage for you guys. But you know what? I love doing this kind of stuff. First of all, I love how the visor look on the motorcycle. Let me show you, kind of give you a closer look. And here it is. I mean, it looks amazing. All you have to do is put the glue that comes in the inside, clean it up a little bit, and upon you cleaning it up, again, stick it there. Make sure it's level. So like that, the middle is kind of like a moon kind of design. The middle's right where it's supposed to be. When I put it in, it kind of, a little bit of the, I guess the glue kind of spilled on the inside. I just wipe it out real quick. It looks amazing, guys. It just looks very, very nice. Now, the license plate was so simple. It was just ridiculous. 2 bolts, take them out and put the new plate. And here's the new plate. And again, it's, first of all, actually, you know what? First of all, I'm going to change this bolt. You see those ugly bolts? They're going out. I'm going to take it off. I hate it. But if you see that right there, it's more in a, I don't know if it's a 45-degree angle, whatever it is. So it's more slit or more in an angle. So again, when I put the trump and I bring it down, the problem was that it was hitting right here. It was hitting the top of the license plate. Now it's not, because again, it's kind of in this angle like that. So again, that worked out pretty well. Again, it's not a major update, not something that you needed. But again, if you want to clean the back and make it look a lot cooler, it's just something that you can do for really not too much crazy money, right? All right, guys, there you have it. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below. And as always, God is in control.